All right, folks, here we are in our daily recap. One trade to go through, this trade in GDX today. So as you can see, we took in a 33.32 put spread for 33 cents in credit. We get our Analyze tab. We actually put this trade on. Let's go back to the monitor real quick. So we put this on at basically 1240. Let's go to the chart. We'll go intraday, 5-day, 5-minute, 1240. So it actually looks like we put it on up here in this 34.66 area, but you can just see here really all day we just lost momentum all day through the trade. At one point it was down about a percentage, 1.25%, and that's when we put this trade on. So we wanted to go ahead and get we didn't really, at least early in the day, see a lot that was interesting from a RSI perspective. I'm in dust, of course. So we have dust right here in 32 days, and so we also have a gold position here, which both are kind of close to getting challenged, right? But this gold position, December 31st, our dust and our GLD position are both January 15th, right? But then we go to GDX and we went all the way out another 2 weeks, right? And so each of our trades are 2 weeks apart here. And so while I'm kind of getting a little heavy in gold, right, and kind of gold derivative products, I'm spacing out different expirations, so that's fine. So I'm going to continue to just sell, just go through with the strategy. We're at a 40 delta actually, and so I'm a little bit high on the delta from where I usually like to open this trade. But essentially open this 33, bought the 32. I went closer to the money, of course, due to the fact that we're at a 38 RSI. Okay, so a little bit closer, 30 RSI, closer delta. So that's why we are there on this particular trade, right? So we go here to the chart. Let's go back out to the daily, 1 year, 1 day. As you can see, this 33 mark is actually pretty important. So 33 mark is somewhat important here just on the chart. So we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens here on this particular trade. If we get to 33, of course, we'll roll down. So that's why we stayed small. So if we were to roll this, we might, okay, March, we can get 5 cents in credit already. We go 33, 31 already just there, and just huge amounts of credit, right? So 43 cents worth of credit. And so we could absolutely roll this trade out. We could even roll it down too. So we could go 32, like 28, right, and taking a ton of credit there. So we have plenty of options here should we be challenged over the next 46 days in this particular GDX position. That's what we'll do, is we'll just kind of monitor. We've got our alerts set here for this particular trade, and we'll just continue to move forward and process through what this looks like. So that's the trade. That's going through to what we want to. There were no closing trades. We've got a couple that are probably going to come off in the next couple of days, and so that's where we're at and kind of what we're hoping to see here. If you have any questions, reach out to me at Ryan@SellThatOption. Otherwise, happy